Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of this dance is called Elevator. It is a two-wall dance, real simple, high energy, and you're going to have a wonderful time. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to look at the demo, watch the demo, make sure you have all the steps so we can dance together, watch till the end, and also check out the choreographer. Also, to those who always leave me a comment, thank you guys. I appreciate you so much. Um, Also, thank you to everyone that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. Guys, we sold out in record time in about 14 hours or so. Thank you for your support. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself. We're looking forward to hosting you next year in 2026. So, are you ready? Let's go. So, I'm going to say this is two parts. So, you're going to do part one twice, doing a half turn, and then you do part two, and part two will bring you to the second wall. Like I said, it's a two-wall dance. So, let's go. So, I'm going to stand uh, here. So stand on this side of the room, looking in this direction, all right? Because we're gonna make a half turn coming back. So instead of me standing here and I make a half turn and you're looking back at the camera, when I make a half turn, we still dancing side by side, okay? So this first step is a step sailor, kick and cross. Here we go. On the right, the weight is on the left. Step, sailor, kick, and cross. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sailor, kick, and cross. Step, turn, half. Cross, and cross. So you step on your right leg. Your right shoulder come back, half turn, and cross, and cross. So it's left, right, left. Left, right, left. And your last step is going to be on the left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, sailor, kick, kick, cross, step, half, and cross, and cross. Half, and cross, and cross. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So the last step is on my left. So I'm going to repeat this step again. Stepping on my right. Step sailor, sailor. Right shoulder coming back, making a half turn. 5, 6, 7. Step right. Step, sailor, kick, and cross. Step left, half turn. And left, right, left. Okay? So that's part one. You're doing the same thing at the front and the back wall. Remember, the right shoulder is coming back. 5, 6, 7, and. So let's do it on the front and the back wall. 5, 6, 7, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, kick, 3, 4, 5, turn 6, and 7, and 8. All right? From here, we're going to go on to part 2. The last step is on the left. Part 2 is going to move us forward. Just moving forward on the right, left, left. Okay? So we're doing it 4 times. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. So let's put that together. And make sure you move that step forward. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So now we move forward. We're going to go out, cross back, out, cross back. That step is going to move us back. because remember we move forward. We're going to do it on the right and the left. Out, cross back, out, cross back. And yes, I told you this was a 2-wall dance, and this is how we're going to get there. So we're going to tap on the right, paddle back with our right shoulder coming back 4 times. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We had our second wall. That's it. The dance starts over. So you're not going to go up. Okay? You only do that at this wall here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when I paddle back, my right heel is up and I start the dance over. I'm at my second wall. You start with the step sailor. So part 1, you do twice, front and back wall. Part 2, you only do at the front wall, okay? And when you go back, out, cross back, on the right and the left, right shoulder come back, half turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the dance starts over. So now we have all the parts that we need to put this dance together. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I counted in my head, and I counted 4 8 counts. So it's a 32 count, 2-wall dance. All right, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Step 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, turn 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm back at my wall. Did you get it? Let's do it one more time. Front and back wall. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, kick 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, cross 7 and 8. Step 1, 2, kick 3, 4, turn 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. That's elevator. It is a high energy dance. So it's a little fast, so make smaller steps. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Instructors, let me know if you're teaching this dance. I would definitely play this dance midway of my class, okay? Not at the beginner, not at the beginning of class. It's not a warm-up dance, okay? To start the class, I would play a slower song to warm you up, and I wouldn't play it as a cool down. I build my playlist almost like a crescendo, okay? Where I start slow and I gradually build my playlist with the different type of music that I do. So it's, say for instance, if my class is 2 hours, I'll play this dance maybe at the 45 minutes, 50, or after an hour or something. I will play this dance because it's high energy. And my people have gotten a chance to really warm up their muscles and their joints and everything. So that's when I would play this song. It is called Elevator. It is a 2-wall dance, 32 counts, only 2 parts. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.